Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today to give you all the specs and details on this very realistic and very natural Upart unit I received from HerGivenHair. So as always, the wig comes packaged in this very sturdy box with the HerGivenHair logo on the front. And this is what's inside the box. You've got the wig packaged inside this plastic bag, as well as additional combs, and also a card with the product description. And the wig that I got this time is a Upart wig, 18 inches, 240 grams. This is a coily texture, which will mimic 3C to 4A hair, and I asked for the hair to be dyed a 1B. So in addition to this, there is a wig instruction book, which will let you know everything you need to do to take care of your wig. And this time they also included a satin bag for you to store your wig, as well as this scroll here, which has all their new arrivals and basically all the wigs that they have on offer. Okay, so this is the wig here. This one is called the Glory Crown Signature Upart wig by Msnaturallymary, who is very popular here on YouTube with her wig reviews. As you can see, it is a coily texture and pattern. Now the construction of the cap is that it's got two combs right at the front where you obviously put into your hair, because this is a U-part, and then it also has two combs on the side, as well as an adjustable elastic band that you can use to tighten the wig, in addition to the adjustable straps that all wigs have. And then there's also one comb at the back as well. So as you can see, the curls and coils on this wig are already defined, but it's going to be even more defined once I co-wash it. So this is what the wig looks like after I co-washed it and I used my brush to define the curls. It's really pretty. The curls are very defined and I can't wait to put it on. Okay, so here I am. I've just chucked a couple of braids into my hair, and with my leave out, I've done a flat twist at the root, and then I've gone into just a normal braid. And I've done this in the middle where my parting space will be, as well as around the perimeter of my hair, because I want this wig to look as natural as possible. Okay, so before I put the wig on, I'm just gonna cut out the lace part in the middle so I can get my U shape. Okay, so once I do that, I'm just going to slide the combs into my hair at the front. And on the side, as well as at the back. Okay, so now I'm just going to take out my leave out and we'll see what we're working with. Okay, so I've taken out all my leave out and I'm just going to brush my edges. I'm not a huge fan of slicking down my edges, so I just like to brush it and just keep it natural. I think it blends better because my natural edges don't lay down like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can see that my hair blends perfectly with the U part. You can't see where my hair begins and where the wig begins, which is exactly what you want when you're going for a natural look. And this is what the back looks like. It's very full and fluffy. Now just a closer look at where my parting is so you can actually see that you cannot tell the difference between my hair and the wig. So I'm super happy with how this came out. HerGivenHair is really on the mark when it comes to textured human hair that caters to us natural girls. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave all the links down below in the description box with the link to this particular wig. This Upart wig from HerGivenHair is definitely one of those wigs that if you're looking to treat yourself, you should definitely go ahead and get it, because this is definitely one of those wigs that anytime you want to add some fullness and volume to your hair, you can pop this on and you'll instantly achieve that look. Okay guys, so as always, thank you for watching again. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.